Hello, my pre-calculus student. In this video, we are going to convert the rectangular coordinates to polar coordinates. Let's look at the following picture, please. So here we have the point P. Now point P, we label it as a rectangular coordinates x and y. So we know the value of the adjacent and the value of the opposite in this right triangle. Now we want to find the polar coordinates. We want to find r and theta. Now to find r, we just go ahead and use the Pythagorean theorem, which is equal to square root of x squared plus y squared. Now to find theta, there are two cases. If x is positive, it means that if x on the right hand side of the point 0, 0, then to find theta, we just go ahead and find the inverse of tangent, because if we know x and y, it means that we can find the tangent. So theta will be the inverse tangent of y over x. Now if theta is, if x is less than 0, then to find our angle theta, again we're doing inverse tangent of y over x, but then we add pi. So let's start with the example here. We want to find the polar coordinates of the following points. So let's start with the first point. I'm calling this part A. So this point, we call it point P, have the rectangular coordinates is 1, comma, negative square root of 3. So I can label this as x equal 1 and y equal negative square root of 3. So here we'll make a note that x is positive. Then we can go ahead and find the angle theta. We do inverse tangent of y over x. So this can be the inverse tangent of negative square root of 3 over 1. So that will give us negative 60 degrees, or negative pi over 3 radian. Now we have theta. Now we just have to find our r, then we are going to be done. So r equals square root of x squared plus y squared. So substitute x for 1, be 1 square, and y for negative square root of 3 square, and that will give us 2. So therefore we conclusion, therefore polar coordinate for point P is 2, comma, negative pi over 3. I'm going to go with radian. Okay. Let's move on to example B. Now given the point Q, we have the rectangular coordinate x is negative 3, y is 6. So remember here x is negative 3 and y is 6. So we make a note right here saying x is negative. So therefore we have to use the formula theta equal inverse tangent of y over x, and then we have to add pi. So we'll go ahead and find theta now. So theta equal inverse tangent y is 6, x is negative 3, plus pi, so that will be equal inverse tangent of negative 2 plus pi. So let's set the modes in radians, so it's about 2.03 radians. I'm going to go ahead and find r. So r is square root of x squared plus y squared. So substitute the value of our x is negative 3 square. Our y substitute for 6 square. So that will give us about 6.71. Therefore, polar coordinates for the point Q is 6.71, 2.03. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please write your own summary. Thank you and goodbye.